Well, good morning. Printed this last night. That's the back end of a boat. Printed it that way up. And I really didn't expect it to work. But it looks like it did. And then it's released itself when the bed's cooled down. Well, I'm really pleased that that survived. And that's the front half of the boat. I think I need a bigger boat, as they say, but we'll give that a try. Well, I'm not sure. I may have underestimated how big I needed the boat. Haven't glued it together yet. What I might do is tape it together and then put that in it and see what sort of height we're floating at. If we're too deep, remembering we got to put at least a 2S battery in there, maybe a 3S, plus receiver, plus 2 ESCs. So we've got a bit of weight to go in there. We also want it not to tip over, which would be a bit of a problem. My plan is to fill this with foam so it can't possibly sink. Those fit together nicely. What I can do, if necessary, is in editing on the Tinkercad, slice the front off here, extend it, just stretch it, and create a center portion so we can have a piece in the middle to make the boat bigger. So yeah, I think a bit of sticky tape, run some water in the sink, or I don't know if the sink's big enough, and just see if it sinks. Right, I've just put ordinary sticky tape around it to hold it together. That is pretty low on the water line, isn't it? Although it's down at the back and up at the front. I think I'll be safest putting a centre section in. That is pretty low. I mean, it is floating, that's positive. And we do want it low, because we want the oars to be in the water, which they are. So on that side of it, we're okay. And the front is well out of the water. Can I slide that along a bit? We're actually all right there. Bearing in mind, as I say, I intend to fill that with foam so it can't fill with water and sink. Tough call. Do I try and print a centre section? I have to think about that. In my heart, I know I've got to. Four more oars, so we got the full 8 now. Right, just a quick test to get the general idea. Backwards. Okay, I'm running it on 3S at the moment and something smells a bit hot. And they're both running off the same channel at the moment. Obviously, when it's radio controlled, I'll have a separate channel for each side so I can steer with it. Alright, well that'll do for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.